Hello from my kitchen.
Oh, we're in Dina's kitchen. I always start my video with hello from the studio, and now I have to go the sewing room, the hotel room, Dina's kitchen.
Dina's kitchen.
That's where we are. Look at this pink chair. Amazing.
That comes from my sewing room. And I don't really sew anything, but.
And she hasn't got much paint on it, which is a shock. But anyway, we bring us the news. We launched the other day the new year's run of Better Together in the UK, and Ben messaged me this morning to say we were 3/4 of the way full, sold places. And so me and Dina were chatting, and then we were like, gosh, we think we better get on and let you know, because it was only released
a couple days ago.
Was it Sunday or Monday morning? I did a video. So it's, a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
So just to let you know, we only do 36 people, so there's only about 6 places left. It's in October the 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th. It's a 4-day event, isn't it? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Harrogate, North Yorkshire, England.
You get both of us for 4 days. Da, da, da. And this year the theme is color.
I hear your true colors shining through. That's what it's called.
And
true
lots
color.
of off-key singing.
Yes.
So
a couple of years ago we did I Can Buy Myself Flowers, didn't we? We did lots of off-key singing, so we've gone for another theme. Sorry, darling.
So true colors exploration.
This time we're doing separate projects, but we don't know what we're doing because we're waiting for product to be released. The industry has really changed, and we used to be able to plan our classes a year ahead. We knew what was coming when. Now it's potluck, and the number of times we've said we're going to be teaching something and it hasn't arrived. So
we have our theme.
Separate. We think we know what the substrates are if they arrive.
Right.
So we have our theme. We're exploring colour. We know what we're doing. It's not till October. We'll have plenty of time before then. But we can't sort of say to you, oh, we're going to make this. Mind you, I don't think we ever do anyway, do we?
No, I don't think so.
No. If we did classes, prepped them far ahead, we'd be fed up and change them by the time it got to it. That's what I've done before.
I've had people take a class in January and then take it later, and they're like,
totally
this class is different than when I took it before. I'm like, I got bored.
People always say, I've already done that class. I don't think you have. I don't think you have. So
exactly. But it's 4 days. Ben is an amazing host.
Yes.
He caters lunch.
Snacks coming out you is Snack Central.
More snacks than you can eat.
Snack Central. Drinks all day,
beverages,
snacks all day. Lunch, and it's usually a hot lunch. And there's normally a vegan, vegetarian option, or you need to say if you've got any food needs,
dietary needs. And then Ben provides all this, most of the stuff. You might have to bring pens or.
Normally you would. Dina likes her brush. I don't know what she's doing yet, but normally I have to bring some of Dina's brushes.
The tools you've got.
Yes.
I mean, everything else will be there. We hook you up with a lot of swag.
Oh, we do. We usually, we don't always, but we usually do some personal. When I say personalised, I don't mean with your names on, but personalised to us. Things you can't get anywhere else.
Yeah, exclusives.
Yeah, we always do lots of swag.
Yeah.
Everything in the class is provided. I normally need you, and Dina uses them as well, Posca pens, especially black and white. Dina loves the Stabilo pencil. You love that. It's little things like that we don't provide, but everything else is provided. You get it all totally provided. We sing, we dance.
We wear matching outfits.
We do. We quite often will go to Sainsbury's, and we start off on day 1, and by day 4 the class is wearing matching. Everybody's round at Sainsbury's.
It's really fun.
Sainsbury's have a spike. Never spike in it is fun. We're just silly.
Yeah.
And
you meet your people, and you get to be with community and make art, and it really is a fantastic experience. So.
And they come from all over. I think this time we have a Canadian come in. We always get lots of Europeans, lots from Holland.
Where was that sweet
Belgium.
woman from? Not Dubai, but
Qatar? Yes. She came to my lovely woman. She came to my journaling class because her son's at uni here.
Yeah, I can't think of where she's from.
somewhere like Qatar. Yes, I think that's the place I never would have thought somebody would come. But they come from all over. Yeah. Americans come over. It's just a fun event, and we always start it. The first one It's Art from the Heart. We do it at Ranger in January, which is, excuse me, East Coast, New Jersey. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I'm drinking my tea. I can't believe that. Oh, it's because I'm with her. Oh my gosh. I tell you, we're having so much fun here. We really are. I've spent so much shopping. Emmy, no, sorry.
No, we haven't. We've been so behaved and productive.
We have been. Actually, we have been. I can't tell you how productive we've been. We've been so productive. But what else was I going to say? I was going to say we keep talking about West Coast, but we're both rubbish at organising anything. So
we'll try to sort it.
Yeah, we will try to sort it. So I'm here at the moment because we're doing a trade show, but we're also teaching online. So if you fancy an online class, we are teaching our art card class together. This is my versions. These are Dina's versions. And just because it started, it doesn't mean the class is there forever. So maybe I'll get Emmy to pop that up.
You can take it and
as well. We're just on day one and it's gone brilliantly. I think it's gone brilliantly. Dina hasn't wrecked my area yet. So this is her. This is what her. If you haven't got one of these Dina mats, what are you doing? Even I have this every day. But look, she hasn't wrecked it too much. There's a little hole here. I don't know what she did to that bit there.
Bad.
But I'm going to steal a bit of this and put it in my journal. So she's done really well because her husband came in yesterday and he was like, "You're filming in here?" I was like, "Yes."
So I have a really large island in my kitchen. It's a big island.
Oh, you can't. Oh.
It is completely covered with our stuff.
Ready? It's going to be quick. And then the table.
And then I have a large kitchen table.
I hope that didn't make you feel a bit sick. We're covered. But we're working. We're at a trade show this weekend. Yeah. We've got all the stuff.
We don't want to
take
it out, put it away. My studio is not fit for human consumption.
We're testing photo printers. I'm also prepping because I've got a stamp launch. There is stuff everywhere, so we've come out here.
Yeah.
And but he's now gone away with work for a couple of days, so we're okay.
So now we don't feel guilty for.
He brought dinner in last night, and he was like,
he walked in
where
with the
we're
bags
gonna,
and looked around like.
He was like, where we're going to eat? I said, well, I can sit at that little bit where my sticker pens are. Dina has a little spot over there, so we cleared him a spot.
Yeah.
And then we didn't see him for the rest of the evening.
Yeah, he went and watched the All-Star game.
So,
all right. Well, join us.
Yes.
Art from the Heart. Only a few spots left.
Yes, that's what we're worried about. I don't want anybody to go, I didn't hear it, because it's gone so quick.
It's so worth it, y'all.
So, and we shall see you either in this class or we'll see you in October.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Snokes.